Welcome back to my channel. On this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to add the tags on your video. And before maybe I show you the procedure of how to add the tags, these are some of the things that you need to know about the tags. And for the YouTube tags, these are the keywords or the phrases that content creators, you being one of them, uses to describe the content of their videos. They are added to the video metadata and can help improve the video visibility. These are some of the significance of the tags. Number one, it improves the search visibility. Tags helps the video to appear in search results when the user searches for the specific keywords or the phrases related to the content. Number two, relevance to the viewers. The tags will provide information about the content of the video. When the viewers sees the relevant tags, they are normally likely to click on your videos because matches their interest or their needs. Number three, related video or recommendation. Your video recommendation or algorithms takes tags into account when suggesting video to users. Then number four, organized content. Tags helps categories and organizes your videos library. Then next part we have competitive advantage. Well optimized tags can help your video to stand out in a competitive niche. Then next part we have global reach. Your YouTube accessible world is accessible to in the whole world, and people from different regions may search for content in different languages. Using the tags in multiple language can help your video to reach more global audience. And lastly, analytical and the insights. Your YouTube provide analytical data on how the viewers find your videos. Then the conclusion part. When using, not this one, when using the tags in YouTube, it is essential to strike a balance between relevance and accuracy. Using misleading or unrelated tags can harm your video performance, and this will result to penalties from the YouTube. Therefore, it is crucial to choose a tag that accurately represent the content of video and align with the interest of your targets. Okay, so for the video that I'm going to upload, these are the tags that I have already prepared. They are separated by a comma. Okay, let me go to my channel. So here goes my channel. So click the button to create, upload. Then the next part, this is where my video is on the download. This is the video that I want to upload. Okay, then I drop the video on that point. Then the next part is to write down the title. The title of the video is how to add tags on your YouTube videos. Then you write a description, maybe a small description of the videos that rather what's so about the video that you're uploading. Then go down, then we have the show more. This is the most important part where you can insert the tags. Therefore click that point. Then we have add tags here. Add tags here. So I will go and copy the tag that I've already prepared. And remember, the tags are supposed to be related to the content of your video. So I copy, then paste, and I paste that point. Then next point is the standard YouTube license. Then go to next, then next, and lastly publish the video. So that's the simplest procedure that you can use to add tags to your video. So thank you for taking time to watch. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to comment. In case you have any question, you can comment. I will answer the question that I will come across in my comment section. Thank you.